Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be discussing a topic that I don't think I've delved into in the past. I may have touched on it here and there in vlogs, but I've never done an exclusive video for it, and that is hair removal. And in this video, we're specifically going to be discussing at-home laser hair removal, which I have been doing for the past few weeks now, and I want to share with you guys what I've been using and what my results have been thus far. So me personally, I am a very hairy person. I have a lot of body hair. I have thick body hair, coarse body hair, and my hair grows super fast. A lot of you guys like to compliment me on my hair and how it grows super fast and long and thick, but it does come with its drawbacks, and that is it's not exclusively on my head. My hair on my body grows super fast as well, super thick. In the past, I've done almost every single hair removal option known to man. I've of course tried shaving, which for me, since my body hair grows super fast, is not long lasting. I can shave in the morning and by the nighttime my skin's already prickly. It also gives ingrown hairs and razor bumps and all sorts of stuff. I've also tried epilating, which is, oh my god, that's like so painful. It's like a whole bunch of little tweezers plucking your hairs, and it wasn't really effective either. It would like break the hairs off. I've also tried hair removal creams, which were not very effective for me personally because my body hair is thick and coarse. I've tried professional waxing, which was very expensive because of the growth of my hair. I would have to go every 4 weeks. So I used to spend like $200+ a month on professional waxing. I know, super expensive. And I've also done at-home waxing, which is very messy. It's also very time consuming to wax yourself because you can't really see everything you need to see, especially if you do down there. And yeah, the wax just gets all over the place. That could also be very expensive, having to buy the wax and all that stuff. I think at this point, the only hair removal I have not tried is professional laser hair removal. And that's just because it's super pricey. So I'm super excited to have this. This is the Kenzzi multifunction IPL handset, and this is a at-home laser hair removal device. This has been super easy to use. I'm already seeing results in just the first few weeks of me using it. It's also super time and cost saving. And speaking of cost, I do have a discount code for you guys. You can get $50 off one of these Kenzzi multifunction IPLs. My code is GAB50, which will be on the screen down below, as well as a link to this item. And you can also just go to kenzzi.com, that's KENZZI.com, and put in my code GAB50 to get $50 off. So to get into the specifics of how the Kenzzi multifunction IPL device works, is IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light, and it delivers different wavelengths that target the hair, but it can also help with acne, age spots, ingrown hairs, and overall skin rejuvenation. And you can see results in as little as 2 to 3 weeks, you guys. That's super fast. I've been using it for about 4 weeks now, and I'm already seeing the results. My hair is growing back thinner, it's going back slower, it's growing back patchier. And like I said, this is only the 4th week, but it does deliver full results in 12 weeks. And let me show you guys everything that's in the box. I just jammed mine back in here because of course I've been using it. So one thing that you get right here is your quick start guide. It also has in here, of course, all the instructions, but it also has this little skin tone safety chart inside, as well as on the back of the box here. And this just lets you know what intensity level you can use for your skin tone. And then of course you get your power cord, which I love this power cord because it's super long. It's actually 9 feet long, so I can use this thing in the bed while I watch Netflix or YouTube, which I love that. And then of course you have your device itself, which is super sleek and ergonomic. It fits right nicely in the palm of your hand. It comes with 1 to 3 attachments depending on your purchase. And also, you guys, this thing has 10 years of flashes, so you don't have to repurchase any cartridges or anything like that. It's not like shaving where you have to keep buying razors and shaving cream, waxing where you have to buy wax over and over or pay somebody to have it done. And just in case, it does come with a 12-month warranty and a 90-day guarantee. So if you're not familiar with IPL, IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. And basically it's a broad spectrum light to target and treat a wider area. It's also super safe, it's non-radiating, it's super convenient, super efficient, and it converts light into heat to treat each area. So when you put it on your skin, you'll feel a little bit of heat. And in my personal opinion, I'm used to waxing, and this is less painful than waxing, so I was super happy about that. So yeah, I want to go ahead and plug this thing in and just give you guys a little bit of a demo on how exactly it works, and I'll show you guys me using it on myself as well. So you take your device and you just plug it in like this. So when you plug it in, you'll see this little green light flashing on the back, so you go ahead and press that, and as soon as you press that, you can hear it turn on. So if you turn it around here, you'll see your intensity level, so you'll press that same green button to change your intensity. So it has 5 different levels. Of course, it starts off on the lowest one. I like to use it on level 3 for me personally. I can use up to level 4, but I just been using it on level 3 just to be safe. And it's always recommended to start on a lower setting and then go up to a higher setting as you get used to using the device. So I'm going to be demonstrating using this under my arms today, but I've been using it on my arms. I've also been using it on my hands, on my knuckles. I've been using it on my toes. And that's pretty much it for now. I am going to be starting soon to use it on my legs and also on my bikini area. But I just wanted to start off with those areas and not go full throttle doing my whole body, just so I can get used to using the device. Also, I should mention that you want to use this on shaved skin, cleanly shaved skin. You don't want to use this on waxed or plucked skin, because it needs to be able to target the hair follicle or the melanin in the hair follicle underneath the surface of your skin. So if you wax or you pluck, it's going to be removing that follicle, and it's not going to let the device work effectively. So yeah, make sure you shave, and then you want to place the device on your skin. It's not going to work unless you have it directly on the skin, and then you just want to press this button. And then you want to move slowly like this. Now, another option you can do if you don't want to do it one by one is you can go into something they call their glide mode. So you just hold this down right here for 5 seconds. And then it's going to go into what they call, again, their glide mode. So you just set it against your skin and you move it like this, and then it does it by itself, which this is what I prefer personally. It's just quicker and easier, even quicker and easier. The device is already super quick and easy to use, but it just makes it even better. So, and I love this thing so much. I was skeptical at first, to be 100% honest with you guys, just because how stubborn my hair is. Even when I used to get waxes, they would have to like devote extra time to me. It's kind of embarrassing, but my hair is super thick and coarse and stubborn. So I was apprehensive and a little skeptical about this device, but this thing, I'm already loving it. Like I said, you see results in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. I saw results in about 3 weeks. Right now I'm at about 4 weeks, but I can't wait to see my full result in 12 weeks. Also, this is my arm, by the way. This is an up close of my arm here, and I have not shaved it in almost a week, and you can see there's barely any hair, and the hair that is there is super fine. So I've been loving it and being more comfortable now, like wearing shirts like this and stuff that exposes like under my arms and my arms and stuff. If you guys pay attention, you'll notice a lot of my videos I wear long sleeve shirts just because I don't feel like doing the hair removal process and going through all that. But now it's just, I don't know, it's just so nice to be able to not really have to worry about hair all the time, body hair all the time. And like I said, I used to do professional waxing, which was very expensive, but it's also nice to be able to just do something in the comfort of your own home, like not having to go to a salon to get waxed, or even go to professional laser hair removal center and have to schedule it and like fit it in your schedule. It's nice to be able to do something like this in the comfort of your own home and just kind of like watch TV, watch a movie, listen to podcasts, and do this in your own bed or on the couch. It's just, you can't really beat it, especially for the price. Even waxing at home was more expensive than this device will cost me in a year, because I have to buy the wax beads, and I was spending like $25, at least $25 a month just on the refill wax beads for my at-home waxer. So over the course of the year, this thing is even cheaper than that. And on top of that, it's giving me long-term results. Like, How can you beat that? So I highly recommend you guys check out the Kenzzi multifunction IPL. I don't think you guys will be disappointed at all. Like I said, I do have a discount code for you guys. It's normally $249, but you can get it for $199 with my code GAB50. I will have the link down below as well as the coupon code. You can also go directly to Kenzzi's website, kenzzi.com, KENZZI.com, and use my code GAB50 for $50 off. If you or anyone that you know has tried the Kenzzi multifunction IPL, let me know down below in the comments what your experience and results have been. I'm curious to know if you guys are loving it and seeing the results like I am. I'm really excited to see my 12-week results. If you guys want an updated video after the 12 weeks, let me know down below in the comments, and you can also just give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, if you're not already, please hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications as well. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.